Imagine discovering a secret to turning life's toughest moments into your greatest strengths, something discovered over 2,000 years ago. Imagine facing life's storms with a calm so deep that nothing can shake your peace. The Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." What if you could harness the power of your mind to transform every challenge into an opportunity? Sounds like a superpower, right? Today, we're diving into ancient Buddhist principles that can help you make this your reality. See obstacles as opportunities. In Buddhism, obstacles aren't just roadblocks. They're seen as essential opportunities for personal growth. Instead of feeling discouraged by challenges, Buddhism encourages us to view them as chances to learn and evolve. Every difficulty, big or small, carries a lesson that can make us stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Live in the present. Buddhism places great importance on living fully in the present, a practice known as mindfulness. Often, we get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past, which causes stress and prevents us from enjoying life as it happens. By focusing on what's happening right now, we can experience life more vividly, find peace, and appreciate every detail. Build emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is key to handling life's challenges without being overwhelmed by negative emotions. Buddhism teaches us to observe emotions like anger or fear without letting them control us. With mindfulness and self-awareness, we can respond to difficulties with calm and clarity, building emotional strength over time. Develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is foundational in Buddhism for personal growth and success. It involves controlling impulses, staying committed to goals, and making choices that align with your values. Through regular practices like meditation or mindful eating, self-discipline helps overcome procrastination, resist distractions, and stay focused on what truly matters. Stop worrying about others' opinions. True freedom comes from within, and one way to achieve it is by not being overly concerned with what others think of you. Buddhism teaches us to find inner validation and understand that our worth isn't determined by others' opinions. By letting go of the need for approval, we can live more authentically and prioritize our own peace and happiness. Build mental strength. Mental strength is crucial for navigating life's challenges with resilience and clarity. Buddhism teaches that the mind is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Practices like meditation and mindfulness help quiet the mind, stay present, and build the ability to let go of things you can't control, leading to a balanced state of mind. Embrace impermanence. Impermanence is a core teaching in Buddhism, reminding us that everything in life is constantly changing. By embracing this truth, we can navigate life's changes with ease and wisdom. Understanding that everything is fleeting helps us appreciate the present moment and cope with difficult situations, knowing that this too shall pass. Let go of attachment. Attachment is a major source of suffering in Buddhism. We often cling to people, objects, or outcomes, thinking they'll bring lasting happiness. However, nothing in life is permanent, and clinging only leads to disappointment and anxiety. Letting go of attachment involves recognizing that true happiness comes from within, not from external things. Practice daily gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice in Buddhism that enhances well-being and happiness. By focusing on the positive aspects of life and appreciating what we have, we counterbalance the tendency to focus on what's missing. Daily gratitude helps us cultivate a mindset of abundance and contentment, leading to greater happiness and better relationships. Prioritize inner peace. Inner peace is the ultimate goal in Buddhism, a state of calm and contentment that remains unshaken by external circumstances. Prioritizing inner peace means focusing on your mental and emotional well-being, even in a chaotic world. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and letting go of things that disrupt your peace help you maintain a state of tranquility and balance. By embracing these Buddhist principles, you can transform your life's challenges into opportunities for growth and cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and happiness. I hope this video added value to your life. If it did, please like and subscribe so we can continue this mindful journey together. It not only supports the channel, but it also lets me know I'm on the right track to bringing you more content that matters. Thanks for watching.